Okay, let's look at how to find pictures that are royalty free. And fortunately for you, there has been a search created and put on your teacher's webpage that actually searches through sites and looks for pictures that are licensed by Creative Commons licensing, that are royalty free, or are public domain. The purpose for this is to get a background picture for the composite for the scene in the 12th night where we had Santa Claus and Jack Sparrow in the previous video. So to do this, I'm going to go to your teacher's webpage. So here we are at the Sanger High School webpage. I'm going to click on Teachers, and your teacher's name is Donna Jansen. No, Cassie Miller. I'm going to click on that. And if you look, down here is Creative Commons Image Search. That means that any images that you search for and find in here, as long as you cite the source using a site like EasyBib or something like that, then you can use them in your iBook project. So let's go ahead and do this. So in the 12th night, in the scene with Santa Claus and Jack Sparrow, that took place in Washington, D.C. in front of the White House. So I'm going to search for White House. Whoops, let me spell it. Washington, D.C. All right, then I'm going to click on Image. And here I've got these wonderful images of the White House. Ooh, there's one of the Capitol. Now, for your book project, the larger the image, the higher the quality. Now, it's going to also increase the file size of the book, but since we're still talking about images and not video, I think we're pretty safe here. So I'm going to look for a nice, cool backdrop that speaks of the scene and just really says Washington, D.C. to me. I like this one, 2687 by 1791, so I'm going to click on it. You do not want to take the thumbnail because it will pixelate. And look, Wikimedia Commons. So the nice thing about that is when I go to download the video, I actually have the URLs. I've got different image files, and I have the attribution, or basically how I need to cite the give credit to the creator of this image. So that's really awesome. I'm going to go for full resolution, and this is really technical. Watch this. I'm going to save this file to my computer in a very special way. I'm going to click on it and drag it to the desktop, and there it is. And that's probably the best way to search for Creative Commons images. Again, you go to your teacher's webpage, look at the last tab where it says Creative Commons Image Search. Because she is so amazing, she has created a customized Google search that looks just for these images that you will be able to use in your project as long as you cite the source without having to worry about copyright infringement. So very cool.